Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share you with an update here. This is the 1972 Volkswagen Bus. I apologize, our camera person is away, and before the guys get here and make a whole lot of racket, I thought we would share with you just an update. In an earlier video, this 72 bus, we shared with you where we had everything down to bare metal, and we were ready to, we still had some sanding and prepping to do, and we're ready to apply this black two-part epoxy. Obviously now it's all been treated with a two-part epoxy, and our next stage is we're going to start doing performing some body work. So I just wanted to share with you, once all of that nasty lacquer paint and primers and fillers, with all of that stuff removed, and then down to bare metal so we don't have anything react, even the roof, which was quite a job. I think you can probably pick that up in the camera. So we stripped all the layers of the old paint and primers and down to bare metal. And then basically what we do is we have all of the metal is sealed with this black two-part epoxy. So there's two nice coats of epoxy on the complete van, and what that does is it protects all of the steel. And then we can, now that we know the steel is sealed and protected properly, then we can go ahead and start doing the body work on it. So you can see there's obviously some imperfections and dings from the fabrication metal work that was done, so we'll have to work on all those sections or areas. But now that all of the metal is protected, even on the inside here, you can see where we've done all around the windows. The lighting isn't the greatest here, so I apologize for that, but you've got all the metal is now protected and sealed, which is really what you want. Very important step. Not easy to do in these vans. There's a lot of nooks and crannies and a lot of curves, but now that we have, you can see even the floor, and then we reinforce, put another coat, I should say, in the welded areas and the back. So now we're at the back passenger side, and once again you can see with all of the new metal we put in around the tail lights and flares and lower quarter panels and so on, an amazing, incredible amount of steel was put in this van to get it back to standards. And then you can see even the seats in the inside as we come across, and then our back shelf and wheel well areas and so on. So now that this is all nice and sealed, very important step on these buses, or any vehicle for that matter. So now it bonds really well because it's a two-part epoxy, bonds extremely well to the steel, and then we treated and washed all the steel before we applied this epoxy. So just want to share with you this step because it is an important step, and then we'll start doing the body work and smoothing on this 72 bus. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.